Hi, Mr. Reddish, here I go. Oh no, you got me. You got me.
Get her.
Here we go.
Tiring the puppy out.
Hi, Mr. Reddish, here I go. Whoa. Here I go.
It's already.
Oh my God, you got me.
She's already starting to get worn out. The thing is like bigger than her head. It's huge.
WWD. Greta versus Mr. Reddish. This is scheduled for one fall with a 1 hour time limit.
Only 5 rounds. Where's she going?
Oh, you got Mr. Raccoon.
Greta!
No, you're not going to leave it back there, are you?
Greta!
Greta!
Greta! Come out fighting! There she is. Oh. Stop. Time for a break.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.